In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have your tasks and events connected so everything stays organized in one place without double entry. First, open your ClickUp account. I recommend using the web app in a desktop browser for the smoothest experience. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you want the integration to live. A quick page refresh can help if your sidebar looks different than usual. Next, look for the More option in your ClickUp interface. Depending on your layout or theme, this may appear as a three-dot menu or a label that literally says More, often in the left sidebar or lower left area. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see all options clearly. Now click on Apps. This is the hub where ClickUp manages integrations and add-ons. Give the page a moment to load because it can take a second to populate all available connections. Once you're in Apps, locate Google Calendar. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly filter for Google Calendar. When you see the Google Calendar integration card, select it to open its details page. This page usually includes a brief overview of what the integration does, plus the button you'll use to connect. Go ahead and click Connect. At this point, simply follow the prompts on your screen. A Google sign-in window may pop up. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily so the window can appear. Choose the Google account you want to use with ClickUp and review the permissions. These permissions enable ClickUp to sync tasks and events with your calendar. Click Allow to continue. You might also be asked to confirm that you're connecting the correct ClickUp workspace. If you're already signed into the right Google account, this process should be quick. After you complete the prompts, wait for a confirmation message from ClickUp indicating the connection is successful. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment or refresh the page. In some cases, you may see initial sync activity start in the background. That's normal. That's it. Your ClickUp account is now connected to Google Calendar. From here, ClickUp and Google Calendar can work together to keep your scheduling aligned, helping you spot conflicts sooner and stay on top of deadlines. If anything seems off, double-check that you used the intended Google account and that your browser allowed the authorization window to open. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined workflow with ClickUp and Google Calendar.